and welcome to GS Learning Ocean. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of tenses. If you have ever felt confused about how to express actions in the past, present, or future, you are in the right place. Let's simplify tenses and master the foundation of English grammar. Let's begin with the basics today. Today we are talking about tenses. Tenses are the backbone of English grammar, and understanding them is the first step to becoming a fluent communicator. So let's get started. Tenses are verb forms that indicate when an action takes place, past, present, or future. They give sentences structure and clarity. For example, I eat, I ate, I will eat. So in I eat, it tells us it's happening now. I ate refers to the past and I will eat shows us it's in the future. Simple, right? Tenses help us clearly express time and avoid confusion in communication. Why are tenses so important? They help us express time, whether an action is in the past, present, or future. They ensure clarity in conversations, helping us avoid misunderstandings. And most importantly, they build your grammar skills, laying the foundation for advanced English learning. For example, I eat is in the present form, I ate is in the past form, and I will eat is in the future form. Each tense paints a clear picture of time. Moving forward, now when we talk about types of tenses, tenses come in three broad categories: present, past, and future. Present tells the time about today, past tells the time which is already gone, and future is upcoming time. These categories further break down into subcategories which we will explore in the next. Now, subcategories of tenses are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Each of these tenses has four forms. Like simple, in simple we tell that describe general actions or facts. For example, I write, I wrote, I will write. Now here this is something which are general actions or can be done on the everyday basis, or we can say the universal truth which cannot be changed. We can conclude them in the simple tense, and in the continuous we describe actions which is ongoing. For example, I am writing, I was writing, I will be writing. In perfect tense, we focus on completed actions. For example, I have written, I had written, I will have written. In perfect continuous, we highlight actions continuing over time. For example, I have been writing, I had been writing, I will have been writing. These variations bring precision to your sentences. Now let's move forward to this picture. Now you can see here that we have three pictures here. In first picture, we are seeing mountains and the nature. So it is telling me that this scenario is of the past. In the middle picture, we can see that they are developing buildings and a person is going on bicycle. He is riding the bicycle. So in second picture, we are clear that they are denoting us the time of present, which is ongoing. And in the last picture, the third one, we can see developed buildings and the flying cars, which we are predicting that it can come us to us in future. So it's really important to understand the tenses. Now let's understand the tenses, the times in an overview. So, and if you want to know about more it, if you want to know more of it in deeply, then you can watch other videos also. We have Hindi version of this video as well. So let's move forward to the present tense overview. In present tense overview, we have to break down the present tense. It has four forms. Simple present, it describes habitual actions or universal truths. In, for example, she studies every day. And in present continuous, we have the action which is happening right now. For example, she is studying. In present perfect, we have actions which highlights completed in the present. For example, she has studied. In present perfect continuous, we focus on ongoing actions started in the past. For example, she has been studying for hours. Now in a simple past, we have in simple past, we tell about completed actions in the past. For example, he played football yesterday. In past continuous, we have actions ongoing in the past. For example, he was playing football. In past perfect, we have actions which is completed before another past action. For example, he had played before it rained. In past perfect continuous, we have actions continuing over a period of in the past. For example, he had been playing for 2 hours. Now let's move to the future tense overview. In future tense overview, again we have its four forms: simple future, actions yet to happen. For example, they will travel tomorrow. In future continuous, we have actions ongoing in the future. For example, they will be traveling tomorrow. In future perfect, actions completed by a certain future time. For example, they will have traveled by next week, and in future perfect continuous actions continuing over a period in the future. For example, they will have been traveling for hours by the time you arrive. Now, tenses are the key to structuring your sentences clearly and effectively. By understanding these forms, you will gain confidence in speaking and writing English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe GS Learning Ocean. Let me know in the comments which tense you would like to explore further. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Master English Grammar with GS Learning Ocean. Stay tuned for more, and let me tell you more about GS Learning Ocean also. We provide spoken English, all subject tuitions from class 1st to class 10, CUET exam preparation tuitions we also give. We also give coaching for competitive exams, and we also provide tuitions for class 11th and 12th for all the streams. Computer courses we are also providing, and the people who are willing to give English language test, for example, IELTS, PT, Duolingo, TOEFL, we are here to assist you. And if you want to do preparation for interview, we are here to help you as well. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.